Welcome to this guided meditation on self-acceptance. Let's begin by finding a comfortable sitting position that allows you to stay focused. You can sit cross-legged like me, or use a meditation cushion for added support. Keep your spine straight and place your hands on your thighs with palms facing upward. Stack your right hand on top of your left, allowing the tips of your thumbs to gently touch. Close your eyes gently and take a few deep breaths in and out. Inhale deeply and exhale fully, letting go of any tension or worries with each breath. Now, let's bring our attention to our breath. As you inhale, visualize breathing in positivity and self-acceptance. As you exhale, release any self-doubt or negativity. Let each breath cleanse your mind and body. Gently turn your attention inward. Bring to mind a situation where you felt inadequate or judged, or an aspect of yourself that you have struggled to accept. It could be a past mistake, an insecurity, or a perceived flaw. Acknowledge it without judgment. Often, we are our own harshest critics. We judge ourselves for our flaws, our mistakes, and our imperfections. But in this moment, be gentle with yourself. Recognize that imperfection is a part of being human. Understand that these feelings do not define your worth. Now, imagine standing in front of a full-length mirror. This mirror reflects not just your physical appearance, but your inner self, your essence. Look into the mirror and see yourself as you truly are, with all your imperfections and vulnerabilities. Instead of judgment, offer yourself a smile of acceptance and love. See the beauty in your uniqueness. Notice the strength in your vulnerability. Embrace the scars, physical or emotional, as symbols of your resilience. You are a beautiful work in progress, just like everyone else. No one is perfect, and that's what makes us human. It's okay to have flaws and make mistakes. It's all part of the journey. With each breath, imagine that you are inhaling acceptance and exhaling self-doubt. Inhale acceptance and exhale self-judgment. As you breathe, feel the burden of self-criticism lifting, making space for self-love and self-acceptance to grow. Now, take a moment to repeat the following affirmations silently to yourself. I accept myself completely, just as I am. I am worthy of love and compassion. I embrace my imperfections with kindness. I forgive myself for any past mistakes. As you repeat these affirmations, feel their truth resonating within you. Let them sink deep into your consciousness, like seeds planted in the fertile soil of self-acceptance. In life, we often measure our worth by external standards, our achievements, our appearance, or what others think of us. But right now, I want you to let go of these external judgments and return to our true source of worth, the light within. You are a unique and valuable individual, just as you are. Your worth is not defined by your achievements, appearance, or the approval of others. It is an intrinsic part of your being, a light that shines brightly from within. In this moment, embrace yourself fully, just as you are, with all your strengths and vulnerabilities. Allow self-acceptance to wash over you like a gentle wave, soothing any wounds and nurturing your spirit. Now, as we conclude this meditation, bring your awareness back to your breath. Take a few deep breaths in and out, feeling the rise and fall of your chest. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes, returning to the present moment with a newfound sense of self-acceptance and worthiness. Remember that self-acceptance is a journey, and it's okay to have moments of doubt or struggle. Use this meditation as a tool to revisit whenever you need a reminder of your worth within. You are unique, valuable, and deserving of love and acceptance just as you are. You are enough. Thank you for joining this meditation with me. Carry this newfound self-acceptance with you throughout your day, and may it help you navigate life with greater ease and peace. My name is Francis. Namaste. If you enjoyed this meditation with me, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.